Hey y'all, today I have this treasure box mechanical geared puzzle by Rocker. This sucker looks intense, but it would be great for anyone that is into doing this type of stuff. There are small knobs or tiny pieces, so you wouldn't want to give this to a small child. Plus, it would be way too intense. There are 123 pieces to put this together. The assembled size is 100 by 124 by 85 millimeters, so several inches, like probably 3 to 4 inches. This is the packaging design. This is what your top view looks like, your front, and your back. And it comes with everything you need in here. You have rubber rings, you have the wax, you have 5 sheets of the pre-cut wooden pieces. There's sandpaper, and there's round tiny dowel pins. They're about a little bit bigger than, I would say, a toothpick to actually hook all these pieces on. And these are all of your pieces. It also comes with this quite thick instruction book that's going to take you through getting these 123 pieces attached correctly. And you even get to make this little key here that goes into the box that will actually allow the box to open when you're done with it, when you've got it all put together. The pieces are clearly marked on, I think there's 5 sheets of wood there, so that you can just like gently push them out. You may need to take the stick there to get some of the edges of the more intricately or smaller pieces pushed out with. And each piece is marked with a number and a letter to let you know what the piece number is so that you can get it put together correctly. And then here's your little pieces and parts in here to get it all together. So check this out on Amazon. This is going to be super cool. I'm going to give it to my brother for Christmas because he is really into doing things like this, and my hands will not allow it to happen. But this would make an awesome gift, and it is going to. So check this out on Amazon. I will leave you a link below, and have a great day.